How do you know if you're hiring the right contractor? That's the question I get so many times. This is Keith Meals with On Time Construction Consulting. One of the things that they should be is very detail oriented. We do job previews before we go do any of our jobs. What a job preview is we bring our subcontractors out, they come out and they look at everything, our blueprints that we have drawn up, so which have color coding details on them like this. So we have cabinet designs already done. We have a spec book done by our designers. So we've got selections made for plumbing, appliances, electronics. So everything that we've got here, these are our scopes of work for all of our subcontractors. These are the types of things that you want to make sure they have. If they don't have them now, they're not going to get any better, and you're not going to get exactly what you're looking for in your project, and that's a waste of your money. So stop wasting your money. So for more tips like this, go to contractorhiringsecret.com. Get my top 10 questions you want to ask any contractor, along with the one question that's going to separate the great ones from the disasters.